让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, what's up? It's time for Conversational Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. This month we're teaching you the phrase 喜欢 or like. How? 平常你喜欢做什么事情啊？在比如放假的时候，
逛街，
我喜欢吃东西，
真的哦。
那文青派的比较有知识的人喜欢看书，我们都喜欢逛街跟吃饭。
对，我们喜欢花钱。
对，没错。What do you like to do during the weekend or whenever you have free time is what we're going to teach you for the phrase like. How 喜欢 Okay? So let's listen to this conversation now.
不用了事，都做到乜嘅？
我會去逛街，冇出啲課下看書。
我沒好看書呢。
這個不用了就是
放假，
沒錯。In this dialogue, one person asks another, what you like to do during, holidays or whenever you have time off. 然後裡面當然可能有回答什麼，我喜歡去逛街啦，看書等等。OK， 好，我們 break it down。好，放假時你都做些什麼？
不用了事，都做到乜嘅？
不用了事。That means again, during holidays, what do you like to do? 做掉乜嘅 That means 做什麼，對不對？然後答案有我會去逛街，或者在家看書。
我會去逛街，冇出啲屋下看書。
我會去逛街 I love to go shopping. Or 冇就是偶爾，對不對？或者是
啲屋下看書。
啲屋下看書，其實在家裡看書，對不對？屋下就是家裡面嘛。然後呢？最後就是回答說我也喜歡看書耶
我沒好看書呢。
I like to read as well. 那我喜歡吃東西怎麼說呢？
吃東西
就好吃東西。
難怪會皮咕咕。
難怪，對，沒錯，圓滾滾的這樣子，是不是？好，那我們就來教這幾個單字哦，都很好用哦。放假
不用了
when you have time off or holiday. 逛街 to do shopping.
逛
街 or to read a book 看書 看書 and this month it's all about the word or phrase to like 喜歡 好，我們再聽這個對話一次咯。
不用了事，都做到乜嘅？
我會去逛街，冇出啲課下看書。
我沒好看書呢。
And there you have it, another practical conversational Hakka here on ICRT.
什麼大家？
俺只say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.